guys, welcome on TechCare, and today we will learn how to log out from your Gmail account. So without wasting the time, let's start the topic. Firstly, you have to log in on your Gmail account. For that, go on gmail.com. You can see I already logged in on my Gmail account. Okay, you can see on the right hand side here is the Google account profile. Click on that. Okay, you can see at the last here is the option sign out. Click on that to sign out from your Gmail account. So friends, you can see I log out from my Gmail account. I hope you learn how to log out from your Gmail account. If you like this video, then share this video and also subscribe my channel TechCare, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the more notifications of the video. Thank you.